When we talk about social innovation and social innovation business, we think about quality of life, sustainability, and sustainable growth, which points to environmental values. But we also think about inclusion when conducting business. So social innovation is about creating new digital solutions and, more importantly, new business models which meet all of these drivers and values for society. Let's talk about what co-creation is not. It's not about technology. It's not about new products or sales. Co-creation is about going back to the fundamentals of your business. Where is it headed? Whether your business can continue to grow or your business needs to adapt, for example, to the disruptions taking place in your industry and markets. Through co-creation with Hitachi, you look at identifying the new path for your business and initiating a new journey for your company.